What's up, y'all? It's your boy Young Rag Films, Dab. I'm finna show y'all 5 tips to make some awesome videos instantly. Alright, first tip, you got to have your video on the right frames per second. What I like to do for them trap videos, I like to have my shutter speed up to at least 125. Now keep in mind, the higher your shutter speed, the more lighting you will need. It's all good though, just get some lights. There'll be links in the description so I can get you guys a discount on some lights. Go and cop those from Amazon. Second tip, when you shoot in slow motion videos, you wanna have it in 60 frames per second. You don't wanna have it in 30, not 24. Cause when you do that, it's gonna be looking like blurry and all jump. That's a mistake I made when I first started shooting. I didn't know nothing about that. Pay attention to your frames per second. 60 frames will make it all smooth, like, you know, like, hey, you know, smooth. So, some people like to shoot their videos all in 60. I don't like this because I think it depends on what camera you have. Now, the camera that I have, the Panasonic Lumix G7, I like to shoot in 4K. There's cameras out there that shoot 60 frames per second in 4K. I know what I like to do. It's best to shoot your performance frames in 24 frames per second because it's just something about it. I can't tell you, it's just magic. You know, some people do that because they don't know what they're gonna slow down or whatever, but I know usually, so plan that out. I'll leave you guys a PDF so you guys can plan your stuff out. It's an awesome cheat sheet. Tip 3, please make sure that you guys are getting enough footage, because I had people email me saying, can you edit my footage? And I've edited it with the bare minimum and it makes the video lackluster. You gotta have that sauce on your video. You gotta have that sauce on there, because if you ain't got the sauce on there, then it's like you gonna get lost. You know what I'm saying? So have more than one shot. Like I usually do 3 shots per location. I get a close up, I get a far, and I get like a little angle, you know? So you gotta have that. 4, you don't have to be mean, but make sure when you get to the scenes that you guys are really shooting, because you can't be too nice. What I used to do is, I used to tell them, but I was like a pushover director. You gotta like, hey, look here, you know, you paying me per hour, so if y'all wanna keep spending money, I suggest, you know, speed it up. You ain't gotta tell them that sometimes, because they making you money. But if you don't want them to waste your time, then that's more money for your pocket. Alright, step 5, tip 5. Make sure you get you a loud Bluetooth speaker. It's been too many people out here that, again, send me some footage and they don't have the music out loud. They can't hear the music. Any of the artists can't hear the music, so their lip sync is off. Make sure you check your footage at the end of the shoot. Skim through it, make sure his lip sync is on, because I had plenty of people email me and all their footage damn near was all the way off. And the only thing I can really do was like a B-roll music video, which is, it works sometimes, but that's not what the artist wanted. Since y'all stayed to the end of the video, I'm gonna give y'all a bonus tip. Make sure you color grade your footage. And don't throw, I'm not talking about no cheap throwaway color grades. If you don't know how to do that, use some LUTs. I have various LUTs. I'll leave some down in the description if you guys want some. So yeah, those are 5 tips to making better videos like ASAP, like on the spot. Really 6 if you stay to the end of the video. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, blow my stuff up, you feel me? Tear it up, don't look back. Do that for me, please. Young Rag Films family, you know what I'm saying? So I'll see y'all at the next video.